Have you ever been broke? Can't afford a tripod? Want one? Well, now is the time you make your own tripod. Good afternoon, guys. It's your girl Anna, and I'm back with my first video so that I could introduce myself while informing you guys. So, today's video will be an educational video. It's about how you make your own tripod. Um, and also I will be like telling you a little before I get into the video. So like I'm gonna explain who I am, what my motives, and hopefully you will stay. Before I get into this video, I would like you to share, leave a comment down below, and please a thumbs up. My name is Anna. This is my first YouTube video. On this channel I will be sharing my life adventures. Also I will be informing you guys in different ways of how I can help you guys, like cooking, hair tutorials, DIYs, all of that stuff. I will be adventuring on some of these areas just to get a feel and to find out where I belong. So please stay tuned, and I hope you like this video. And as I say, please subscribe and leave a comment down below. So without further ado and all this talking, let's just get into the video. So guys, that's the finished look. Also be careful because I cut myself, but also you can personalize your thing and make it your own. So please remember to subscribe, like, share and comment, and thanks for watching.